Over the past year, we've seen AI chatbots popping up everywhere. But here's the thing. Even when you come up with a great idea, you still end up having to do everything yourself. Search for information, write code, design layouts, and even click through websites manually. December 2025, Meta made headlines by snapping up the AI agent startup Manus in a lightning-fast deal worth over $2 billion. In less than a year, Manus had already passed 1 million paying users and crossed $100 million in ARR. It's now widely seen as the most powerful productivity agent, a general-purpose AI that actually gets real work done. The name Manus comes from the Latin phrase mens et manus, which means mind and hand. Its mission is simple: to close the gap between thinking and doing. While most AIs are still busy generating text, Manus is already out there delivering real results for you. Manus's core capabilities fall into three big areas. First, for powerful categories of tools as follows: data analysis and research, multimedia processing, browser operations, and trigger-based tasks. Second, an AI-driven full-stack web app platform. Third, deep integrations with third-party tools and services. When you throw big, complex tasks at traditional AI, they usually hit something called the context window limit. After maybe 8 or 10 items, quality starts dropping fast. Manus changes that completely. Wide research is Manus' killer feature, which uses a parallel multi-agent system. It breaks a big job into pieces and sends hundreds of AI agents to work on it at the same time. So, whether you're researching 250 experts or 100 products, the depth and quality stay consistent from the first item to the last. That's how Manus delivers at a scale without falling apart. Once you've got tons of data, the real question is, how do you turn it into insight? With data analysis and visualization, you don't need to be an Excel wizard. Just upload a CSV or Excel file, tell Manus what you want, and finds patterns, pulls out key insights, and turns everything into interactive dashboards, heat maps, or radar charts. It's not just showing you numbers, it's helping you make real, strategic decisions. All that research and analysis doesn't just sit there. It flows straight into Manus slides. Manus pulls in the data, the charts, and the research, then automatically builds the story, the structure, and the slide layout. On top of that, it uses Google's Nano Banana Pro visual engine, so you don't get weird text glitches or mismatched styles. The result is clean, professional-looking slides with clear text, consistent visuals, and speaker notes included. From a rough idea to a ready-to-export PowerPoint, Manus can do in minutes that used to take a whole team days. With multimedia processing, Manus doesn't just read text. It can actually watch videos, listen to audio, and understand images. Give it a meeting, a lecture, or pile of charts, and it pulls out the key points, structures everything, and even generates voice-overs and the design assets. In this official demo, Manus isn't just helping, it's doing the whole job. It opens an MIT lecture, listens to it, transcribes it, understands the structure, and turns a 1-hour talk into a clean, usable handout. No copy links, no downloads, no manual notes. It works like a real teaching assistant, processing raw material step by step and delivering the final results. And you can replay the whole thing and see exactly how it did it. This is where Manus stops being a chatbot and starts acting like a real autonomous agent. If multimedia is Manus' sense, design view is its creative hand. Most AI image tools feel like the rolling dice. Design view gives you a real pixel level control. Powered by Google's Nano Banana Pro, it delivers high-quality visuals and fixes the two biggest problems in AI art: bad text and inconsistent style. You get three powerful tools: Mark tool, circle anything and change just that part. Reference image, drop real photos right into your design. Text editing, edit words inside image without messing up the background. Most AI tools only work with what you paste into them. They can't browse the web or log into your accounts. Manus can. It has two digital hands, the cloud browser and the browser operator. That means it can click, type, log in, and complete workflows just like human. The cloud browser runs in an isolated cloud environment. If you ask Manus to find the top 10 AI news stories, it will search, open pages, extract data, and summarize everything. And you can watch the whole process in real time. It can even log into Gmail or Notion and work inside your private tools. When a CAPTCHA or two-factor login shows up, Manus pauses, asks you for help, and then continues once you are done. Some sensitive sites block cloud IPs. That's where browser operator comes in. It lets Manus control your local browser through a Chrome or Edge extension. So, if you ask it to post a tweet from your X account, it uses your logged in session and completes the task in a separate tab. Use Cloud Browser for public data and long tasks. Use Browser Operator for sensitive, logged-in work. Manus even chooses the right one for you automatically. What if AI could work right inside your inbox? That's what Mail Manus does. Every user gets a special Manus email address. Just forward or CC an email to it, and Manus reads it, understands what you want, and sends the result back to you. You can even set up workflows. Send a flight to travel, it goes on your calendar. Send a receipt to receipts, it goes into your expense report. Send an invoice to invoices. Accounting and reminders happen automatically. You just forward the email. Manus runs the whole workflow. Normally, building a website means design, code, servers, and deployment. With Manus, it's just one thing: talking to AI. It builds the front-end, backend, database, SEO, payments, and hosting, all in one go. This isn't just page generation. It's a real backend system. Logins, permissions, APIs, admin panels. You can sync with GitHub, export everything, and host it yourself. No locking. Manus is making website building as easy as sending a message. Most AI tools live in isolation. You copy, paste, and lose context. Manus is a workflow hub. It connects Gmail, Notion, Slack, Stripe, and more. So AI actually does the work. In Slack, just type @Manus. It reads the whole channel and works right there with your team. Manus connects to Google, Notion, HubSpot, GitHub, your internal systems, and over 8,000 apps via Zapier. Anything in the real world can become an AI trigger. Manus runs on a credit system. Free users get limited monthly credits on Manus Lite. Pro users get more credits for heavier tasks. Credits are only used when tasks run. Viewing results is free. If a task fails, the credits come back.